Is the customer always right? The goal is to provide happiness and the ability to be content after the service. In the case study for Bay Area Public Relations, they are hosting a talent competition for a large software company. The winner of the competition receives a 2-week cruise for two. Celebrity judges and news reporters were there to witness the competition and create mass studies. When the votes were tallied, the judge noticed that there was a tie. Mr. Johnson wanted a specific contestant to win in order to provide a better news story. Johnson decided to go based on creative liberties to decide which contestant was best. How do you choose between two equally great contestants? Look at values, beliefs, working environment, accomplishments, attitude, and the ability to learn. A customer is always right in their own mind. They will never think they aren't right, because what their expectations are is what they want to receive. Never tell a customer they are wrong. After choosing a contestant, one might feel judged if they were not good enough. Customers complain to 9 to 15 people about results of service, according to White House representatives. Customers must know that they have rights after each situation. They must know that they have the right to choose, the right to represent, and the right to redress, as well as have basic needs, safety, and information, as well as consumer education and healthy environment. Customers may think they're always right, and if they aren't, it turns into bad service and unhappy customers. The contestant who is best for the company shows moral values and has desire to help the company shine. The contestants must know that they can't always be right. Using creative liberties to choose between two contestants is very difficult. Based on desire and hard work and past experiences, should help determine the winner of the contest and who would be best for the Bay Area. A customer is always right saying came from Harry Selfring, explaining that customers believe they will receive good customer care.